You are going to love the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, cruise control, daytime running lamps, console, cup holders, 4-piece floor mat set. Come see the car for yourself.